Are you sure of social media? How long do you spend your time on social media every day? If you are a frequent social media user, it's a good idea to consider the negative effect of social media on you and your peers. You might not agree with me, but here are some facts why I say so. According to a book I read, fear of missing out or FOMO is a phenomenon that emerged along with the growth of social media. FOMO is a granddaddy of tech slang because this phenomenon has been around for years. It is not surprising that FOMO is one of the most common negative consequences of social media on society. Just like it sounds, FOMO is a kind of, of anxiety that occurs when you are afraid of missing out on a pleasant event that someone else is enjoying. For example, you continuously check your message to see if someone has asked you out, or you might spend all day scrolling through your Instagram account to ensure that no one is doing anything exciting without you. You can also see image of something great that your friends were about to do and feel left out since you can't attend because of another commitment. This anxiety is constantly followed by what you see on social media. With greater social network usage, you're more likely to notice that someone is having more fun than you are right now. That is precisely what triggers FOMO. Anxiety, loneliness, and fear of missing out have a serious impact on your mental health. From a recent statistic, it is forecast that there will be, will be around 3 billion active monthly users of social media. According to the statistic, it is obvious that social media has become an essential component of your life. A wide variety of studies and experiments show that people have become addicted to social media. It is said that it is potentially more addictive than alcohol and cigarettes. So, are you with me?
And is ethical about social media? Social media, what does it say? Well, apparently they found that social media has a great influence on human life. I know that. Yes, well, it says here social media has an take on main factor of human existence, including for the individual perspective and life, inspiring a person's understanding of a given issue or accumulating information. Really, information is facts about a situation. How could there be false facts? I can't believe that's possible. The survey says that there are seven negative effects of social media on people and users. Seven, don't accept this. Content reading for a list of negative consequences of social media. If you identify any of these as concerns in your own life, it might be time to minimize or perhaps discontinue your use of social media. Stop using social media? Are you kidding? Why not? It's better than feeling safe to social media. Let me see the article. Depression and anxiety. How come? I agree with this statement. You know, social media allows you to witness the deliberately chosen greatest portion of other people's life, which you can then compare with your own problems. Then, if you grasp what happened, let me read for you. Comparing yourself to other people is a sure path to anxiety and unhappiness, and social media has made this much easier to do. That's right, isn't it? I feel a complete failure after reading and comparing my idol with my life. I dread to think what you will say about all this. Well, but I disagree with that. I read many articles about everyone else's lives too. I learned a lot about how they achieve their careers. You know, I I love to read articles about famous people in the world. I feel happy and want to try some things that made them successful.
You think ambition and hopes are important?
Well, let me check the real meaning of ambitions. First, ambition, okay, I found it. Webster says, an ambition is a desire for success, honor, or power. It is something a person hopes to do or achieve. For example, my ambition is to become a jet pilot. So, we can say that there is a hope in every ambition.
So, an ambition is important, is it?
You bet. According to an economical expert, Peter, an ambition drives us to advance and accomplish our goals. He also claims that an ambition, when well directed and supported by values, represent and health, self-esteem, and a greater capacity for abstraction and visualization of the future. In my case, to become a jet pilot, I have been addicted to the world jet. You know, I have collected and read many books about jets. I think it's good as I am able to combine my energy and ambition to make my dream come true.
I'm with you. From an article I read, researchers also support ambition. They say that a healthy amount of ambition can help you succeed in many ways. Driving ambition in healthy amounts can help you grow as a person as well as become a
Stronger.
stronger individual in mind and body.
Right. However, ambition can be achieved with adequate facilities. So we should control our ambitions.
Are you serious? Sorry, but I disagree with that. Poor will be poor if we have no adequate
Facilities.
facilities to achieve our ambition. I am sure if we study diligent, diligently,
Many ways
many ways will be opened to use to us. Of course, we have to try to do our best and never change our goals if there are still possible goals with on a start. Reach for the sky.
exactly. But still, you have to change your goal if there are no alternatives. Am I right?
I know what you mean, but I'm afraid
I disagree.
I disagree with you about this. Above all, ambition and hope are important.